This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at a stock here that was breaking out sometime in June of 2019, and this is what it looked like. So this is after the first week of June 2019, and we can see here the price was breaking out, looked good, and it was breaking out above the prior monthly closing high. And in this video, I'm trying to address a simple question: when should we be aggressive or greedy? And given that instruments can 1 minute be trading at one level and the next couple days and in time be trading at different levels, sometimes it's hard to decide when to be greedy when an instrument is moving in your direction. What I'm going to show you in this video, quick video, is whenever you see the RSI come back and recapture the 69.1 level, especially when it has demonstrated in recent months and years that it can hold above 69.1. So that's the key. So you check back and see, has this stock been able to sustain levels above 69.1? If the answer is yes, then any subsequent move above 69.1 becomes of interest. In fact, if we spend a second here, see this period here where the stock held above 69.1, you can see the price move from around this level here, 60 cents to the highs here, whichever you want to take, at about $1.40. So more than a double of your money as the stock held above 69.1. Now, here what I'm trying to capture is this move above 69.1. We have a nice price breakout. Of course, at the time, had you seen this, this should have been something worth taking a serious look at. And in answering the question, when to be greedy? Well, you can be greedy whenever your instrument of choice is moving back above 69.1, and especially if it continues holding above this number. So let's take a look here, and we can see the other parameters that we look at, which is the MACD. We can see here one of the MACDs was just inching into a breakout level, so we'll take that right here. So MACD was good, RSI was good. Now, in keeping with the quick video theme, let's take a look at what happened next. So this is June 7th, 2019. Let's take a look at the current monthly chart, and you can see the breakout you were talking about, or we've been talking about, is here. And take a look at what your RSI would go on to do. RSI looked absolutely beautiful, holding above that number. And in fact, even right now, assuming the stock is still above 69.1, which it is, really there's no reason to get out. And assuming it drops and has a bearish drop, then that's that. But remember, we're talking when to be greedy. So one can be taking out partial profits as they've been riding this nice pickup in momentum, in size and pace to the upside. So locking in profit is a good idea, but no need to cash out entirely because the RSI is still holding above 69.1. And if you stick to this principle of holding to instruments moving above that threshold, what ends up happening is you only own the instrument when they are showing maximum strength. And you can see the last two major moves above 69.1 have been the most successful, given that the stock has not done much over the last, let's call it, 20 years prior. Not much, but it's only after it starts igniting and jumping above 69.1 is when it finally picks up momentum. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ECS.